Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this video and welcome back again to No Max TV. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a resume like this one. As you can see, I'm having this kind of resume here, and if you see, I open another resume format here which is formatted in a different appealing way. I'm going to show you how you can be able to create your own resume by using Canva. So you can use Canva. You don't have to pay any amount. You don't have to pay any coin. You can use Canva and design your own resume and have an appealing outcome, which is a well-designed resume and which is going to be also attractive to someone who's going to be reviewing your resume. So without wasting time, let's get started. So before we get started, also remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it to your friends. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. So as you can see, I'm gonna now be opening my computer. It's now already, and I'm gonna be opening my browser. So now what you do is that you need to open your browser. Also you need to open your smartphone if you have a smartphone, or if you have an Android phone, maybe you have iPhone, you need to open it. Also you need to open your laptop if you have one, or you need to open desktop, and also open the browser you're using. Now what you do is to go to Canva. Now I'm going to be lighting Canva, and also you can even light resume creator, resume maker free Canva. If you type this, you're going to be seeing these options, and among the options which are going to be displaying include free online resume builder. So what I need to do is to create on click on free online resume builder, and also here they are going to be giving me this option which is called build resume. So as you can see, I'm going to build my resume, and also what's going to be happening is to build my resume. So what I do is to click on it, build my resume. So once I'm done clicking on build my resume, this link is going to be opening, and also once it opens, it's going to be bringing all details on all the templates that I can be relying on to create my own resume. As you can see, if you can be able to observe at the top, you see it A4. I have A4 there, and also you can be able to edit it if you want to be editing it. These are the name, but also let me review it as it is. It's gonna be remaining as A4. A4, that means it's gonna be also designing itself to, and once I'm going to be downloading it, it will be showing to the paper which is A4 sized. So now let me click on this one, and also I can be coming here and see the templates which I'm going to be looking for. Let's see resume templates, and from there I can see I have different templates. Let me see the one I need to be designing with. For instance, try to bring this one, and also because I can see it is now looking too small, what I do is to expand it to for it a little bit to be visible. And also this is a picture. You can be replacing it as your own picture if you have one, but if you don't have one, you can even remove it and also leave it empty as it is and proceed to the resume. But also let's imagine that is our picture, and use it for educational purpose. So what we need to do is you have to edit these names. Let's say let me that's gonna be the name that I'm using, and also I did this one. After this, I have to add product design. Let's say it's some social or maybe graphic design. All right, so it's depends on what the role you are applying for. Graphic design. So after this, you have to add the experience, and also for instance you can say maybe I have been working at the National Marketing Center. So that's an example, and also need to be formulating it in the way you need. So, and also here you need to ensure that you display your responsibilities. So you need to show up your responsibilities, and you need to show everything. As you can see, I can be adding another experience here. It depends on what you need to do. What you do is to edit your data. Here is, for instance, your studio show it at Australia, Sydney. What you do is to display the information. Now I have to double click in it, this text, and say maybe I selected them. I have been working as maybe as product designer or me graphic designer at show the studio, and I will be, and also I have acquired an experience in the development management scheme. So now it so depends on the your experience you're possessing. Now let's need to and edit you about yourself, and also add your contact details and update all the skills. You can be able to delete every kind of skills displayed here, and also you have to add your own skills. And also once you are done, you're gonna be downloading it. So here it's up to you to edit this one or remove this number if you don't want it. It depends on what you need to be doing, and you can be editing this. For instance, if I come here, I can see it's 80, let's say it's 79, 100%. It depends on what you do. Also chart bar, you can be able to convert it into the progress bar, and also radio bar. It all depends on what you need to be using and what makes your resume going to be looking appealing. So once you're done, what you need to do is to download this kind of resume, and also you'll be having the one which is the outcome. So to ensure that you're having the outcome you need, also you can be even customizing this. You can see I can be able to push it somewhere, everywhere I need, and also I can be able to edit this color. So the color is also be easy to be designed, and be, for instance, let's say I'm going to be performing the color of this one to be giving it our own style. It all depends on how you want to blend your resume, and to be making sure that the style and the colors are going to be matching your own preferences. So once you're done, also need to ensure that you can be able to change this one, including the font styles of your resume, and also the font size. It's all going to be adjustable, and also once you're done, you can be able to adjust whatever process, this education style and other stuff here. What is remaining now is to ensure that you download your resume. You need to have your resume as PDF or as another format you wish. I'll have to click on share, and once I'm clicked on share, you can copy the link for public view, or can be able to download it. For me, I want to download the resume because I need it to be submitting somewhere. What I need to do is to come here and click on download. Once I click on download, they're giving me different options I want in my resume to. So the one which is a PDF is a standard one, and also I have to select PDF. If you need a JPG format, it so depends on you. You can be clicking on it, but for me, I need it in PDF format or PDF style. So let's see. Now I have to click on this one, because you can even click on a flattened PDF. Once you click here, they are showing you and they are defining what is a flattened PDF is. Convert the content of the design into single image per page. If it may increase the file size. So, but for me, I don't want it. I have to download the PDF standard, the normal PDF. So let me download it, and once I'm downloaded it, it's gonna be downloading it, and I will be getting it on my laptop also. This now is gonna be opening automatically. As you can see now, I'm having my outcome, which is a resume designed, the word resume design, and this is gonna be used, and I can be able to submit it somewhere else. You can see wherever I have adjusted the data, you can see those data have been adjusting into it, or is showing there. What you do is to ensure that you display the information and you design the data you need, so that they're going to be working for you. The information and the data you are added there are going to be showing, and also the design you added are going to be showing. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, remember to leave it in the comment section.